Hi there! Thank you for considering BOGOS, the most powerful Shopify promotion app. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a quantity break in your Shopify store using BOGOS. If you haven't installed BOGOS yet, you can find the link in the description. Let's get started. Now go to your BOGOS app, click Create Offer, then select Bundle Offer, and choose Quantity Break. First, let's enter the general information for your quantity break. Bundle title is the name of your quantity break, while the block header will be displayed on your store. Then in the block description, you can add more details about the offer for your customers. Set the start and end time, or leave these fields blank if preferred. Next, choose which products the quantity break will apply to. Apply to all products in your store. Select specific products or collections, types or vendors, or exclude certain products or collections from the quantity break offer here. In this demo video, I will apply this quantity break to specific products and variants. This is the quantity break widget, which will display on your product page. Let's go through it. First, you can customize the number of discount tiers by clicking Add Tier or remove existing ones as needed. For example, I'm going to remove the single option because the product page already allows customers to add 1 items to cart. Set around 3 tiers according to the rule of 3 as they ensure a cleaner display and avoid customers from being overwhelmed. Next, let's set up each specific tier. My intended discount tiers are Buy 2, get 20% off. Buy 3, get 30% off. Buy 4, get 40% off. BOGOS allow you to set the discount by percentage or a fixed amount. Now I'll tweak the text and configuration of each tiers to make sure everything is correct. Now that you have 3 tiers, I would recommend you highlight 1 tier that attracts your customers or converts the best in your store. For instance, I'll focus on the Buy 3, get 30% deal. Let's turn off the tags and labels for the other tiers. And I will also add a subtitle under this one that says BFCM Special Offer. You might also want to pre-select this tier to make it easier for a customer to add it to cart and increase your conversion rate. Finally, you can choose whether to combine this quantity break with other Shopify order or shipping discounts. Simply untick the box if you don't want them to combine. Please remember that you will also need to disable the combinations of your Shopify order discounts to make it work. Then you can click at Publish to activate the product bundle on your Shopify store. I've set up the quantity break, so let's see how it looks on the store. In the product page, the quantity break appears just underneath the Add to Cart button. Customers are able to select the variants of the products. And when they add it to the cart, the discount is automatically applied. Next, I will guide you how to customize quantity break appearance in the BOGOS app. To customize the appearance, in the app, go to Customize Page and select Quantity Breaks. You can change the general content of the bundle or change the colors of it so it matches your store's branding. Don't forget to utilize the template to save time and get a consistent style. Once you're done, click at Save. Let's recheck out Bundle after all the customizations I just did. Please note that these settings will apply to all quantity breaks in your store. Yep, in the product page, everything looks good now. And that's it. If you have any questions or need assistance, drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy bundling with BOGOS.